make a very delicious, easy recipe, another salmon recipe of mine that I've been making for a long time. Again, perfect for this time of the year. It's made with pomegranate molasses, walnuts, and some fresh herbs. And here I'm using a whole filet of salmon. It's a perfect recipe for you to make during the holidays or any time of the year that you feel like you want to have a beautiful, sweet and sour kind of a flavored salmon recipe. So I've got my filet of salmon, whole filet of salmon that I have washed and packed dry. It's room temperature, it's ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and make our sauce that's going to go on top of this. For that, I'm going to saute my whole shallots and some walnuts with a little bit of olive oil for about 2-3 minutes to get them toasted and caramelized. I'm going to add in some salt, a little bit of pepper. Just gonna let this kind of toast together. We're going to use a blender. In this case, I'm using a Magic Bullet or any sort of blender that you want to use. And I have a little magic going on over here with an outlet, thanks to Bruce G. It makes it so much easier when cooking countertop here and you don't want to go back and forth. I'm going to use some fresh thyme. I'm going to squeeze in about 1.5 of my lime over here. I'm going to add in just a little bit, about half a teaspoon of saffron. Adding about 1 cup of pomegranate molasses. We need to let this cool down just a little bit. Now I'm going to mix it in here and blend it all together. Okay, we've got my caramelized shallots and toasted walnuts, salt and pepper already seasoned. I'm going to add it into the blender so we can create our sauce. Look at this gorgeous color. This particular brand of SAFFRON pomegranate molasses has the most beautiful color. That's why I prefer using this one for this recipe, which is the premium California pomegranate molasses by SAFFRON. All right, let's top our salmon with the sauce that we've created here. I'm just going to drizzle on top. The sauce is going to soak into the fish as you're baking it in the oven or roasting it in the oven. Now I'm going to garnish it with some fresh tarragon and some of my thyme. And why not some pomegranates too, since we have them. I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil for some moisture, and we're ready to go into the oven. It's in the oven for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Keep an eye on it. You don't need to cover it. It will be amazing once it's out, I promise.